Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will cover first the block diagram of microcomputer and second the types of buses. So let's get started. To understand the microcontroller, first we need to know what is inside a typical microcontroller or microprocessor. For that we will take block diagram of microcomputer for the reference. We will go through the components of the microcomputer, and this thing should be remembered that the architectures of microcontrollers may vary from model to model and version to version, but the components remains the same. In the block diagram of microcomputer or microcontroller, you will definitely find these parts. First is the buses, second memory, third interface circuits, fourth input output devices or ports, and fifth is the processor. So let's proceed with the detailed explanation of each of these components. So first is the buses. So what is a bus? A bus is a collection or a group of wires that are used to transmit the signals. Okay. So according to the purpose, the buses of a microcomputer can be divided into three types. First is the address bus, second is the data bus, and third is the control bus. Address bus is the bidirectional bus that are used to transmit the signal generated from the microprocessor to the input output circuits or the memory, and same from the memory and input output circuits to the microprocessor. The data bus, it is also a bidirectional bus that writes the information from microcontroller or the microprocessor to memory and IO, and reads the information from memory and IO to the microprocessor. The control bus are used to transmit the control signals such as read, write, and interrupt control signals, and it is an unidirectional bus which only transmits the control signals from microprocessor to the memory and IO ports to do the functioning. So that was all about the buses. So let's proceed with the second component, that is memory. As we know, memory is used to store the user's or system's program or data. The memory which we know is divided into two types, that is the primary memory and the secondary memory. Primary memory is the one which we know and we have in our computers, the RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM are categorized as the primary memory, okay, and they are faster than the secondary memory. The secondary memory, on the other hand, they are used for permanent storage of users or systems program or data. So they are like floppy disk, CD, DVD. The third component is processor. A microprocessor is a CPU that is compacted or fitted into a single chip semiconductor device. The microprocessors are general purpose devices that are suitable for many applications we know. The microprocessors basically contains the ALU, that is arithmetic and logical unit, and CU, that is control unit. We will have a look on it in the later part of the series. And the next component we have is the input output devices. The input output devices are basically the hardware devices that are used to input the information and also has the capability of outputting that information to the display devices. So what are the examples? The examples are modem, USB devices, USB drives, and hard drives. So with this we are completed with the block diagram of microcomputer. Hope all the thing is clear to you. If you find this video informative, so do like and share with your friends, comment your views and subscribe to the channel.